In this video we will show how can you use Lighthouse testing. First select a device. In this example we will use iPhone 12. Then click to the Lighthouse icon. It can take about 20 to 30 seconds to finish the test. Once it finishes, we can see flagged resources under the CSS and JS tabs. We can see unused bytes, and if a resource is render blocking, and how many delay it causes. Some resources are needed to render the page properly, but others can be lazy loaded or even disabled. In a live preview, the page will be reloaded after we disable or lazy load a resource. So we can see is the site working properly with the current settings. You can run a new test, but don't forget to save the rules first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.